Good morning, guys. We're out here at my range today. We're going to put the S510 through its paces, see if we can hit. I've got 102 meters to play with, so never shot out this far, but we'll see what happens. Otherwise she's going to have my pants down if I hit it. Bloody hell. I think that's safe enough, isn't it? There we go. Yeah. Let's have a look. Target's over there. Bench. Oh, it's all the way over there. I'll do for a go. You're out the way there. Right, first things first. Let's fuel this baby up. Like my bag, mid-water luggage. Check them out. They do some cracking bags for bottles. It's really tough. I've had it out a few times now. It's faultless. Really nice quality. So I would recommend them. Right, that's fueled up. There we go. There we go. I go just over 200, 230. That'll do. Perfect. Right, let's go see what the view is from all the way down there. So what's the point of this video, you might be asking? 100 meters isn't very far. Perfectly capable. Yeah, that's what I've been told. I had a chat with one of our group experts, Tim, and he said the S510 is more than capable of hitting 100 meters. I just want to try it, you know. I've never really shot past 40-50 meters, so just thought it'd be interesting to see what I'm capable of and see what the Air Arms is capable of. I watched Giles from Airgun 101 with the Pantera the other day, shooting at 100 meters, 100 yards, and it got me all giddy. I was getting a bit excited, thinking it was something special, but I'm led to believe it's not. Many air rifles can do it, so let's see if I can do it. That's the bigger thing. Like I say, I've been told this should do it. Whether I can hit the target, whether there's 200 holes in my stables by the time I'm done, is another matter. So, got my gear. Here's my little homemade bench. That was not fun to carry. So I've just switched the camera around. Here's my little bench again. All the way up there, 102 meters. My target. Big enough backstop there. Field's behind it anyway. We'll try not to hit the house, otherwise I'll be in trouble. But if I've hit the house, I'll sell every gun I've got, never go near one again. Right, I don't know if you'll hear me because I'm still behind the microphone, but this is the rifle we're using. This is my S510T, kitted out with lots of Magpul goodies. It's a PRS light stock. MIAD grip. Magpul bipod. And an Eagle Vision muzzle brake. Haven't got an enormous optic on this, just the MTC Copperhead. I think it's a 3x12. QIS pellets. It does like these, they are really clean. Dear me, have I just had a silly moment. Oh, just fired off a few testing shots, see where the pellets landing. Couldn't hear any impact, bit odd, so just walked up there, nothing, can't see any impact anywhere. Thinking, bloody hell, need to get rid of this rifle, need to quit. I'm absolutely rubbish. But I've just come back to the gun, I hadn't even put the magazine in it, so I'm not going to shoot anything, am I? So what I'll do now is I'll pop the magazine in, see if I have better luck. The noise from this thing, oh, gets me excited. Hit. No problem with this. Let's go see where those two shots hit. Make sure it's not the neighbour's sheep 3 miles away. Go and see what that's done. I'm not fully confident because I could see those pellets and they looked like they were going all over the place, so I mean, I've hit the target, that's a good start. If I've put pellets on the man-sized target, but I don't know. Positivity, Joey, positivity. This is your first time doing this. What have we got? 3x12 scope. I can't see much, but we're gonna see what's what. How many of them have gone through the stable? Have any of them hit the target? Let's have a look. Well, they've hit the target, but they are all over the place. 1, 2. Is that good? Is that bad? I'm looking at what Giles did with the Pantera. Say it isn't great, but who knows, there is a bit of a wind. I can't really see it. Interesting. Just took the top off a reed. Tell you one thing, it loves these QIS pellets, but it does not like cycling them at all. Definitely pulled that one. Oh. Let's have a look. Right. Here we are again. Let's see, I still can't see them. Oh, that's looking better. They're in the general area. Right, a 7 mile grouping, not bad. No, that's you know, for a second attempt at ever shooting past 40 meters, I'm happy with those. I reckon if we actually set up properly, we weren't bent over a pallet in a bit of an uncomfortable position, I reckon we could get that tighter. Perhaps buy a new scope as well. Might help. Ah, not bad. Well, that's enough of the 102 meters. I think with a bit more practice I could tighten that group up. Not bad for the first attempt, but I was hoping for better. I'm sure some of you that shoot long distance regularly probably find it's really easy, but we'll see. I'm going to get a slightly better scope, although I'm sure this is more than capable, just a bit of practice. But for now, I'm back on my 31 meter range. I'm going to shoot some playing cards to try and make myself feel a bit better. The result should be much better. So let's have a go. I've swapped to these JSB match Diablos because although the gun loves the QYS's, it doesn't like to cycle them very well. The cocking lever seems to get a bit stuck, so I don't know what's going on there with it. But let's have a go. Safety off. And that last one pulled. Of course it did. Let's go and have a look. There's always one, isn't there? There's always one little bugger. Oh, there we go. There you are at the top there. Look at you. Apart from that, pretty good. Can you see me? We're going to go for the card on its end because I'm feeling ambitious. just missed. Second shot. Good. We got it. Let's go get it. Don't know whether that'll focus. Nice. Happy with that. Never done that before. Well, fun little day today. Learning new things. So I'll carry on with the 102 meters next time. See how we get on. It's all a learning curve for me, but yeah, confidence builder at the end there, apart from a couple of flyers. Cheers, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.